First, log in or create an account clicking on the Sign Up button. Inside the app, hit the New Presentation button. After naming your presentation, you will be brought to the page where you can build it. Select one of the many types of quizzes that are surrounded by the red square. You can create multiple choice questions, word clouds, quizzes, etc. Multiple choice. To create a multiple choice question, you'll have to create a new slide, choose multiple choice question, type in your question, enter your answer options. Image choice. To create an image choice question, you'll have to create a new slide, choose image choice, type in your question, fill out with answer options and add images. Word cloud. To create a word cloud, you'll have to create a new slide, choose word cloud, and type in your question. Scales. To create a scales question, you'll have to create a new slide, choose scales question, fill in with your heading, enter statements to rate, and this is optional, but you can change the high and low level of the scale. Open-ended. To create an open-ended question, you'll have to create a new slide, choose open-ended question, fill in with your question, choose how to display the results. 100 points. To create a 100 points question, you'll have to create a new slide, choose 100 points, type in your question, and enter items to rate. 2x2 matrix. To create a 2x2 matrix, you'll have to create a new slide, choose 2x2 matrix, fill in your heading, enter items to rate, and this is optional, but you can enter axis names and labels. Who will win? To create a who will win question, you'll have to create a new slide, choose who will win, fill in your question, enter contestants. After that, hit present to display the presentation to your audience. Now your audience just needs to go to menti.com and type the code displayed on the screen to start answering your questions.